So, you need a receipt. Maybe you lost the original, maybe it got thrown away by accident, or maybe you just need one for reasons. Hey, no judgment here. The thing is, creating professional looking invoices and receipts used to be a pain. You'd have to mess around in Photoshop, find templates online, hope they look legit. It was a whole thing. But now, there's actually a really simple way to do this. Let me show you. So I'm on PaperPlugg.com, and they've got a bunch of different invoice templates, Amazon, eBay, Zalando. But today, let's go with the Apple Store template. Because honestly, Apple receipts look clean, and a lot of people need these. All right, so here's the interface. Settings on the left, live preview on the right. Everything you change shows up instantly, which is pretty nice. First things first, let's set the basics. Language, I'll keep it on English. Currency, let's go with US dollars since we're doing an American store. And these numbers here, the order number, customer number, invoice number, you can just hit this little button and it generates random ones automatically. Easy. Now the address section. Sold to is basically the billing address, so I'll just put in a name and address here. And then delivery address could be the same, could be different, up to you. Here's the fun part, adding the product. I'm going to go with AirPods Pro 2nd generation. Product number, MQD83. Serial number, I'll just make one up. Price is $249, quantity is 1, and boom, there it is on the invoice. Payment details. Let's say Visa. Last 4 digits, 1234. The tax calculates automatically based on everything you've entered, which is honestly really helpful. And that's pretty much it. Hit download, and you've got yourself a PDF that looks exactly like a real Apple Store invoice. So yeah, whether you need it for records, for returns, for whatever, this tool makes it stupid easy. Takes like 2 minutes once you know what you're doing. If this helped you out, hit that like button, maybe subscribe if you want more stuff like this. And use responsibly, yeah? All right, catch you in the next one. Peace.